So my name is Joshua Jahowski, and from Great Falls, Montana, and this is my '69 Ford F100. It's got a 5.3 with the Brian Tooley Racing Cam, just stock build, brand new block. It's also got an LSA supercharger on about 12 pounds of boost. So I'm not really sure what it puts down power-wise right now, but we'll probably get it on the dyno tomorrow here. No, I've actually been building it for 3 years, so I did all the paint and body work on it in my garage at home, and it's a fun little truck. So it started life as a long box with a 460 and a 6-speed, and I did 460 and C6 and dinked around with that for a little while, and it was just meh. And I started dabbling in LS swaps and had done a few friends' trucks, and so I ended up just getting a stock 5.3 to put in this. I sold the 460, put the 5.3 in. It was like, well, let's paint the firewall. So we painted the firewall, put the motor back in, and then it was, well, that's turbo it. So I had twin turbo, or single turbo rather, on this for a year, and had some bad things happen with it. And so then I decided to do the 5.3 LSA swap, and it turned out pretty good. My father-in-law bought it from the original owners. He had it for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, and I wanted a project of my own build, and so I bought it from him, and I think I paid him like $700 for the truck, and that's kind of where it all began. So I found an original short bed at home for the truck, and shortened the frame and put the short bed on it, and it's got an Explorer 8.8 rear axle with just stock brakes in the rear, and 4L80E transmission. It's got a 2011 Crown Vic front suspension and Viking coilovers. Ride Tech shocks in the rear, and then just custom interior, stuff like that. So it's quite a bit of fun. Yeah, not many bolts were left unturned. Anything that came out got replaced. Usually with stainless, unless it was something you couldn't really see, just grade 8 hardware. But yeah, it turned out really, really well. The stock color for the truck, Sky View Blue is what they call it. I was gonna change the color, and then I painted the firewall, and it was one of those things where it looked good when it was fresh. And so I painted the whole truck that color, and it was the right choice. Yeah, you don't see many of them. Everybody always goes with the red or the black or gunmetal or white, but you don't see too many pastel colors. So that's kind of why I decided to stay with this color, and it was, like I said, it was the right choice. No, I was here last year with the truck. It was way too fresh. I just had it tuned in Salt Lake on the way down, and I had 0 seat time, wasn't sure what it was gonna do, and so I put it in the car show last year and just kind of left it, and that was that, and kind of figured out how it worked here, and so this year I came down to race, so had some setbacks. I didn't even get to start racing till this afternoon. We were here yesterday, so now here we are racing. So
you're competing in the Grand Champion category.
Yes, so it's...
tell us a little bit about that. That's all 3 events?
That is all 3 events, yeah. It's a first for me for anything. So I've never autocrossed before, I've never drag raced, never done 3S, never done road course, never done any of it. So I just came in with the expectation to have fun and improve upon my times and just kind of figure out what I need to do to the truck and hopefully make some changes. And I mean, I probably won't be top dog, but that's okay. I'm just here to have fun. I brought my dad, my father-in-law, and a few buddies down, so as long as everybody's having fun, that's really all that matters at this event.